Hey, what is up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I have the new Pro Cinema 6050s in stock and ready to ship. I put in a pre-order of these about maybe 3 months ago, and I know I got some of you guys on pre-order with your invoices paid. I'm going to get these shipped out first thing tomorrow, but I just wanted everybody to know that I have 3 units that are still available and can be shipped out immediately. This is the version of basically the 5050 that has the free lamp, the mount, as well as the long 3-year warranty versus the 1-year warranty. So if you'd like to get one of these, get them while they're hot, get them while I have them in stock. They are going to be limited here, especially to start while we're filling these first orders. So if you guys would like to get one, give me a call or shoot me an email and we'll get that order filled. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Have a good one.